In this video, ipapaliwanag ng SB19 kung anong meaning ng lyrics sa kanta nilang Lawless. Simulan na po natin ang ating reaction video. Let's do this.
You could hear rock, you could hear pop, hip hop. There's novelty, R&B. So we're like that. We're chaotic. We're
Chaotic. Halo-halo eh. Verified. SB19. Lawless.
When we first heard the song, it really got our attention. The focus instrument that they use, it's a guitar. Lawless. So it gave you a feeling of a Western standoff.
Tama.
You know, like two people,
From
like
Texas.
squinted eyes, like clawing the air.
Yun din talaga ang unang pumasok sa isip ko yun, na parang mano o mano, di ba? Yung sa Western, lalo sa mga pelikula nun, di ba? Na talagang magdudual sila, di ba? Tapos sinong unang makaputok? Yari yung isa. Verse 1.
I'm an outlaw. On the run, the road is brutal. What's your mouth?
Huh?
I don't need no one's approval. Keep your doubts. I'm lawless. Better be couches. No boxes can hold the gods. No. Start a mosh pit. Well, basically, the song is about living like an outlaw. Not really, you know, like an outlaw breaking all the rules type of outlaw, but someone who's willing to go against expectations of people.
Yes.
You know, choosing the right path for you, regardless of what people say, with all the conviction that you have inside.
Kumbaga ano yan eh, ang interpretasyon ko yan, go against the grain. Kumbaga, ano ba yung trending, hindi mo susundan yung trending, no? O kaya kung anong usong trabaho, hindi ka sasama doon. Kumbaga, gagawa ka ng sarili mong path, no? Ano na, gagawa ka ng sarili mong daan, tatahakin mo yun. Para hindi ka magiging normal, kumbaga hindi ka yung parang ordinaryo, parang ganun yung gusto sabihin ni Olpa.
Regardless of what people say, with all the conviction that you have inside.
Hey, Eden Common says, talking out of pocket, get your caught quick. Yeah, hey, you ain't got no authority. Living lawless is my priority.
We don't really get to care about what other people or what other the standards are, but
Mhm.
we are not going to follow it because
Yes.
living lawless is actually gonna be our priority, or
Mhm.
saying it we're gonna do what we want and we're gonna set what we want for
Mhm.
our own standards. It's
Yun
too
nga eh.
obvious that you're just trying to hate. I get a lot of beef with people.
Yan, si Josh talaga marami rin kabip yan eh. Alam niyo na, di ba, lalo sa hip-hop nun, di ba, yung naralo siya ng awards. Basta ang dami talaga mga haters, saka, yun nga, ang kagandahan din talaga sa SB19, minsan, lalo ngayon, parang wala na silang pake. Di ba, sabihin nyo na yung gusto nyo sabihin, di ba? Basta kami gagawin namin yung gusto namin. At eto na ngayon, ang SB19, international artist na sila. Nangwawasak na sila ng international stages, di ba? Sobrang lupit ng SB.
But yeah, it happens.
It's all good,
It's more fun.
Ray Carlos.
Let it do the damage.
Sheesh.
We love savage. Oh, keep 'em singing now. Tragic, no pave the whole town.
For this part,
Sheesh.
basically, people who say bad things towards us or bringing us down, we don't care. We don't listen to them.
Yes.
By achieving our goals and whatnot, it's you're trying to bring us down, but you can't. We're making our
Kasi
own.
nga, di ba, ganito yan eh. May kasabihan nga, di ba? Hindi ko alam kung si Winston Churchill pa nagsabi nun. Kumbaga sa Tagalog, kung halimbawa naglalakad ka tapos tinatahulan ka ng aso, di ba? Pagka binigyan mo ng time yung aso, binato mo yung aso, di ba? Parang ganun. O kaya, basta ano mo sila, kumbaga nagalit ka dun sa aso dahil tinatahulan ka. Kumbaga babagal lang yung paglakad mo eh. Kumbaga magiging hindrance po sila. Kapag nilingon mo sila, ibig sabihin lang po nun, yung aso, parang sila yung haters mo, sila yung negative. Diba? Kapag nilingon mo pa yung negative, binigyan mo sila ng attention. Imbis na nagdidire-diretso yung progress mo, diba? Ay bumabagal ka nang dahil doon sa pinansin mo po yung mga nasa likod mo na nangi-hate sa'yo. Parang ganun yung gustong sabihin dito.
It's you're trying to bring us down, but you can't. We're
Mhm.
making our own world. We're making our own realm.
Yes.
So we're doing it. We're winning. While you there,
Tama.
you're doing nothing.
Are you mad, Justin?
Yun nga eh, di ba? Sabi nga nila, kaya nga sila nasa likod mo dahil hindi nila kayang gawin yung ginagawa mo. Tama yung sinasabi ni Justin dito na hate lang sila ng hate kasi nga hindi nila kayang gawin yung ginagawa mo. Inggit sila, yung numero unong doon, inggit.
No, I'm good.
Chorus.
The road is rough. The road is tough. Better watch your back in the land of the lawless. Can't get enough. But don't get stuck, cause there ain't no love in the land of the lawless. 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 No love in the land of the lawless.
My favorite part of the song is the chorus and the hook, together with the ding 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 ding. Like, it feels like I'm in a pub with lots of cowboys.
Hats.
You know, I feel like I want to jump and party.
You imagine
Yeah.
things.
But a party that's very messy and rowdy and, you know, just lawless.
Galing na.
Mga ngabo, mga bano, kala mo naglalaro, palabiro, palagi no, pero di lalatigo. Tell me what you gonna do when it comes for ya. Tell me what ya got in your head now.
It's actually translates to these guys thought we was playing and they are choking on their own thoughts. If you're hating on someone, it's actually insecurity already that you've been always following what
They're doing.
these guys are doing.
Yes.
You just want to bring them down.
Yun naman talaga di ba? Kasi una-una hindi mo i-hate ang isang bagay kung hindi mo sinusubaybayan sila. Real talk yan, di ba? Kaya nga haters, kumbaga ano siya mga palihim na fan. Real talk yun, di ba? Kasi hindi ka naman totally susundan yan, talagang gaalamin lahat ng galaw mo, kung hindi sila low-key fan o silent fan, parang gano'n, di ba? Kaya pagdating ng huli, yung karamihan ng mga haters, di ba? Nagiging idol na rin talaga nila yung hinihate nila. Para sa SB19, di ba? Ang daming haters noon ng SB19 na ngayon ay grabing mga fan na rin nila.
Ooh, somebody call the police. Ooh, we taking everything tonight.
Yeah.
Ooh, and now you see the future. Breaking all the rules. Yeah, we're in the tempo. Call the police. I mean, we are the future. Most people would just stay inside the box, but they would never know what was outside the box.
Yun yung matinding ginawa ng SB19. Kasi nga kung nagpakulong lang sila sa comfort zone nila, doon nga sa box na sinasabi ni Pablo, di ba? Hindi sila mag-international, di ba? Kasi pag sinabi mong nasa box, alam naman natin, di ba, sa Pilipinas, ay artist yan lang sa Pilipinas yan, di ba? Hindi, dito lang tayo. Parang gano'n. Sila binrek nila yun lumabas sila sa comfort zone nila Di ba? Sinubukan nila na mag-hit sa international stage, di ba? Na sinubukan nilang sipain yung pinto. At ngayon nga, di ba, dati Asia lang sila. Ngayon, di ba, world domination na talaga ang ginawa ng SB19. Kaya, yun, kahit sa atin, sa mga ordinaryong tao, wag kang magpapakulong sa comfort zone. Nothing grows there, like ko sinasabi sa inyo. Lumabas ka, mas marami kang matutunan sa ibang lugar, ibang sitwasyon, di ba? Kung parang natotoxican ka na sa normal mong ginagawa, mag-try ka ng ibang bagay. Baka doon mas mag-grow ka. Kasi nga, sa comfort zone talaga, nothing grows there. Stagnant doon. Same shit ang mangyayari sa buhay mo.
There are lots of dangers and whatnot, but then you'll never know once you're out there. So
Bridge.
Yeah, I'm always on the run. All these shadows calling out my name. Can nobody hold me down? I was born to break the chains. I'm done, I'm letting go.
Letting go.
Hey, this gone, let you know.
Wow.
Dead luck, it's the last draw. Watch me run and lose control.
Grabe, live na live, men. Grabe, SB19 na. Sobrang live na live, men. Alam mo, recording yung mga boses nila, sobrang tindi.
So for this part, it's all about telling people that we'll be chasing our dream. We were born to really achieve their goals
Tama.
and do the dream that we want. No one can hold us. We're
Yes.
just doing a dream. We're gonna do it, and we were born this way.
Ganun kasi kapag meron kang pangarap, 'di ba? Walang makakapigil sa iyo. 'Di ba sa unang-una, yun nga, unang-una mong paniwalaan yung sarili mo. Magtiwala ka sa sarili mo. Huwag mong sasabihin na hindi mo kaya 'yan. Subukan mo. There's no harm in trying, sabi nga nila, 'di ba? Kaya mag-try ka lang na mag-try. Kung ngayon bano ka pa ngayon, sa susunod magiging mabibiyasa ka na. Kaka-try mo, ganun 'yon. Ang total failure talaga yung hindi ka nag-try. Pero pag nagta-try ka, 'di ba, nang paulit-ulit, yun ang goal, yun yung progress, 'di ba? Yun yung journey na masasabi natin, 'di ba? Yun yung pinakamasarap yung journey. Minsan may isip mo, ay dati ganito lang ako, tas ngayon ganito na inaabot ko.
By Lady Gaga. But
Wow. Wow,
really like the whole
nice.
song. As a producer, I really like the overall vibe of the song. It's kind of like a post-punk type of like beat.
Solid doon, no? Napaka-solid doon. Ayun, sana nagustuhan nyo ang ating reaction video sa ano ng SB19 na to, tong Lawless Lyrics and Meaning Genius Verified. Ang dami nating natutunan dito dahil po sa nalaman natin ang ibig sabihin ng lyrics nila sa Lawless. At yun nga, marami talagang ano dito pwede nating i-apply sa buhay natin. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Ingat kayo. God bless and peace out. Bye.
Do it! Just do it! Just do it! What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!